one of all present here. I am Tripti Chanda, PRT from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 GCF Jabalpur. I welcome you to this fun with learning session organized by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Regional Office Jabalpur YouTube channel. So let us begin with our beautiful poem. As you heard the name Nandu. Who is Nandu? Yes, Nandu is a baby elephant. So today we shall discuss chapter 3rd, A Day with Nandu from class 4 EVS. Today's topic are special features of elephants. Elephants in a herd, other animals live in a group. Let us begin with chapter now. In the first stanza, Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. For a few seconds, he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunk. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. In this stanza, we read that Nandu is a baby elephant. As you can see the image here, as soon as he opened his eyes and for a few seconds he was not sure where he was. It seems to he was surrounded by big grey tree trunk. He blinked his eyes and looked around of there was Amma. So that grey forest which he was imagining, it was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. Elephants live in a group is called herd. I will show you herd. A herd of elephant. A herd is a group of animals of the same species, either wild or domestic. Now, the sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima trumpeted. Trumpeted means made a loud sound. Elephant sound is called trumpet. Do you want to hear? Trumpet. Nanima is the oldest in this herd of elephants. She started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. After Nanima's thunders of trumpet, other female elephants also followed her. Nanima is eldest one and she is leader of the group. Now before read in the next para, as we know that Nandu called his mother as Amma and mother's mother is Nanima. I call to my mother Ma and mother's mother as Dida. So tell me, what do you call your mother and mother's mother? Now let's move the chapter. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. After they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. The baby elephant enjoyed playing in the water. The mother lays down in the water and mud on the river bank. So, this was their routine. They all went to the jungle together, and the members of the herd started spreading out. As they eat their favorite leaves and twigs, they go here and there. Elephant have huge body. For it, they need lot of food. They spend almost 16 to 18 hours only eating and eating. They love to eat sugarcane and banana. After they had eaten, obviously they drink water. So went to the river. Baby elephant enjoy playing there in the water with mother. Lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. They relax for a while. Now we read about some fun and games. Nandu saw his brother and sister pulling each other's tails. He thought, I better not go near them. What if they fall on me? I am still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water. As if she was telling him to go and play, Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousin. Nandu joined them in the game. So, have you ever noticed that whenever you're scared or something, your mother motivates you to do it? So, similarly, Nandu's mother gently pushed Nandu towards the water, as if she was telling it to go and play as Nandu loved to play in water. His cousins were ready there and Nandu joined them and play with each other. Let's see what happened to next. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. So after the long tired the day, obviously as we all are tired, we go to our mother. So before he settled himself between his mother's front leg and fell asleep as he drank her milk. So this was a day with Nandu. Now you know how elephants spend their days. Like elephant, some other animals also live together. Groups. These animals groups are called herds. Animals in herd usually move around together searching for food. Herd is a collective noun. Herd is a collective noun. That's why is usually for grazing animals. Every animal's group has specific name for their groups. Let's have a look at some examples. Animal groups names. Herd is a common group name for animals. The following animals are called some interesting fact about elephant. Every animal have some special fact. Now we start. Nandu introduced to a baby elephant. Hello, friends, I am Nandu. Elephant herd with a baby elephant. I live with my Amma and Nani in the forest. Do you want to know something more about me and my family? Let's see. This is my family members. Nanima, me, my Amma, all are here. Elephant herd in the forest. Elephant live together in group which is called herd. An elephant herd has only female and baby elephant. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Elephant herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 female members, elephants and young ones. Adult elephant take care of baby elephants. Male elephants lives in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. You have to remind it. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and live alone. Even Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Most of the time, they spending only eating and eating. Elephant eating leaves. Adult elephant can eat more than 100 kg of leaves and twigs in one day. Now find out. Nandu is only 3 months old, but his weight 200 kilogram. What is your weight? Yes, each student's vary 20 to 30 kilogram. I have written here 25 kg. Okay. Can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? That means how many children's when I add up how many children I add to equal to Nandu's weight. Then I will divide 200 divided by 25 is equal to 8. That means 8 children like me will add up to Nandu's weight. It's too much. Elephant playing in water and mud. Elephant love to play with water and mud. The mud keeps their skin cool. Elephants do not sweat, so they have to take the help of water and mud will cool. water fountain. Baby elephant play with their cousins. All together, they do lots of fun. Elephant have big ears, also work like fans. The elephant flap these to keep themselves cool. Flapping also signify their passion or joy. So friends, how did you feel to meet my family? Elephants are the world's largest land animal, and he has so many qualities. Now, we'll ask some questions, think and write. Find out and write which other animals live in the herd. Yes, give the answer. Yes, answer. So many animals live in a herd like zebras, buffaloes, walruses, etc. To write, watch the video and write the proper answer. In elephant herd, the oldest female elephant is the leader. Who is leader of your family? Question 3. Nandu enjoyed to play in water with cousins. How do you enjoy with your cousins? Because you enjoy with your cousins watching TV, playing games, etc. Have you ever taken a ride on an elephant? How did you feel? If you have ride, naturally you can enjoy it. We have discussed so many things today, but that is not all. Soon we will meet in the part 2 of this lesson. Thank you.